user can only register with one email address. That means whenever someone try to register user with the same email address pass here, so they will get an error. Let me take this header and pass it below here as well. In the place of printer, we don't need this printer. Control D for multiple selection. Whenever someone register with the form, will redirect to dashboard, which is not, we have created it, dashboard, and it will have a message. In index, let's create a case for dashboard. Dashboard will be very simple. We'll have a simple header, footer, and okay, case should be dashboard. Let me change the function name, dashboard. Copy this name and create a function with this name at the very bottom of this sign up function. Okay, here we are going to create another function, public function dashboard, return, we are going to return HTML. In between them, just write welcome to dashboard for now. Dashboard. Okay, save everything. Now whenever we click on dashboard, we can see we are on dashboard. Welcome to dashboard. Okay, let's design something for our dashboard. At first, we are going to use the same error messages in here. Just copy this line and paste it inside our sign in and dashboard as well. Copy this and paste it here. We'll print the same error. Okay, below this form we are going to print the error in here. Whenever we'll try to sign in, we are going to show some error messages. We haven't set this error yet, but very soon we are going to set it whenever we are going to work with sign in functionalities. Okay, copy this and paste it above the return function, and in here let's write some HTML code. In materialize CSS, we are going to use a card. Just click on cards from components. We are going to use this first card. Copy this and paste it in here. In the place of error message, whenever we are going to create our user, we are successful to register, so that means it would be success message. Control D for multiple selection, success message, and once again Control D for multiple selection, success message. Here would be only one S. Okay, now let me copy this line, this error message line, and paste it in here. We are going to get message inside here. Actually, okay, in here is, well, let's do it here. In the place of error message, just write success message. We are still not done with our sign up user. And now what we are going to do, we are going to check a email which user input to register. Inside database, we are going to search that email is already exist or not. If that email is not exist, then we are going to create a new record and register our user. Okay, so let's do the functionality for that. Here, for fetching data, SQL need to set some attribute for PDO. Okay, so let's do it. dbase is equal set attribute, and this would be PDO colon a underscore default underscore fetchmate. We are going to fetch our data as object. Next parameter will be PDO fetch underscore obj. Perfect. Now next we are going to make our SQL query for this. Email underscore finding SQL is equal select star mean all. We are going to select all of our columns from our user tables. That table name was users. Select all. There will be one more keyword, that is form. Okay, now next we will have to use another clause, where email is equal email. Let me copy this bind param and paste it here. We are going to use the same thing, but this time we need to actually prepare this also, so we can use a statement. Okay, let me change it to email finding statement. Copy this, and there would be our SQL query for email finding. Here I also made a mistake. Actually this is not a mistake. Okay, let's forget it. Copy this line and paste it here for our binding parameters. Okay, in the place of full name, this would be email. This is the variable. From here we are going to set the variable with value of this. Here we are getting value from the users, and we are setting here. Okay, now as I said, we always need to execute our query. Okay, but this time after executing our query, we also need to do one more thing. We need to get the result of our fetch data. Email underscore result is equal email finding statement and fetch. This is the function for fetching our users. Okay, this is fetching as object, since we have set our fetch mode to object. Okay, so it is an object. Int email result. That means if there is no email found in here, then we are going to set our user, or we are going to register our user. If the email is found, it will give us an error. Okay, so let's do the else part of this if condition. It will send the error message. Let me copy this error message from here with a header tag, copy and paste it inside else condition, and whenever there is no email, then we are going to save the user. So let's cut this user query and paste it here as well. Change the message, and user is already with this email. Okay, copy this exit and use it in here also. Okay, open your browser one more time. Here let's use Shakib Al Hassan. This is the email we have already registered. This is shakib@test.com, shakib@test.com, that is already registered. Let's try it with the same email. Let's see how it happened. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sign up. It's saying undefined variable. Sign up, submit in line number 52. Actually, we need to execute our email finding statement instead of sign up statement. Okay, try once again, continue. It's saying an user is already registered with this email. Okay, that means our validation is working perfectly. Let's try once again with name of Tamim Iqbal. Email address is tamim@test.com. Password would be 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sign up. It's saying user is registered successfully. That means it's working perfectly.